These maple cinnamon cookies are perfect for cold season, soft, buttery and full of warmth. And with a touch of festive decoration, they are ideal for Christmas time. You'll need flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, butter, cane sugar, maple syrup, vanilla and 1 egg. And for decoration, white chocolate and sugar pearls. Start with a dry mix. Add flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt and cinnamon to a bowl. Give a little whisk. It's like a warm-up before the cozy part begins. Now, melt your butter gently over a double boiler, smooth, not sizzling. Then let it cool a little. Add cane sugar, maple syrup, vanilla and 1 egg. If your sugar is coarse, grind it a little first. It will mix better. And if it doesn't fully dissolve, just warm the mixture gently, then let it cool to room temperature. This part smells like a pure comfort. Mix the dry and wet ingredients until a soft dough forms. If it feels too runny, add 1 or 2 extra tablespoons of flour. Just a little, don't overdo it. The dough should be soft and slightly sticky, not stiff. Chill the dough in the fridge for 30 or 60 minutes. Once the dough is ready, preheat your oven. Scoop about 30 grams of dough per cookie, roll it into a ball, and gently flatten it with your fingers. Place them on a baking tray with a space in between. Bake for 12 minutes until the edges turn golden and your kitchen smells like a baking heaven. When the cookies have cooled completely, melt white chocolate over a double boiler. Dip half of each cookie, place them on a rack, and sprinkle with sugar pearls. It's like dressing them up for the holidays. Just enough sparkle to make them special. Let the chocolate set. Put them in a pretty box and take them to your friends. Or keep them all for yourself. No judgment here. Soft, cozy and a little bit magical. It's a cookie season.